Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Host greets viewers and explains the goal, showing how to download and install Yandere Simulator on a PC or laptop. Open a web browser and search for Yandere Simulator download. Click the official Yandere Simulator website. From the search result, scroll down on the home page to find the download section. Select the download launcher option. This begins the download to your computer's downloads folder. The launcher may take a moment to open. Wait patiently rather than closing it. On the launcher's main screen, click the Install button and wait for the game to install. Internet speed affects timing. The installation begins. Sit back and let it complete. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.